गोवा बोर्डाचो जो चेअरमॅन आहा बाबलेन टिकलो हांकां ऑफिशियल गाडी अलॉट जाल्ली फ्रॉम हावजिंग बोर्ड, एक इनोवा अलॉट जाल्ली आनी ती इनोवा परत दितकच तांकां एक स्विफ्ट गाडी अलॉट जाली आनी त्या स्विफ्ट गाडयेक देर वॉज पेट्रोल अलावन्स एज पर एक्च्युअल्स, म्हळ्यार कितले कन्झम्पशन जाता तितके, आनी ती गाडी प्लस ड्रायव्हर ह्या चेअरमॅनाक दिल्ली. अचानक इंटरेस्टिंग गजाल एक जाता की चेअरमॅनाचो PA चेअरमॅनाच्या लेटर हेडीचेर, आमदाराच्या लेटर हेडीचेर 5/10/2013 मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर जो आहे MD, जो आता सध्या राजकारणी जाला, बाब एल्विस गोम्स, हाका पत्र करता की आपल्या चेअरमॅनान एक नवी गाडी घेतल्या पर्सनल. ऑनरेबल चेअरमॅन हॅज परचेज अ न्यू इनोवा कार पर्सनल bearing GA03R0678.
That is his personal car.
Yes, personal car, and he wants to use it for official purpose. Further, the MD puts up a note saying that Housing Board has decided to give 18,000 as allowance. Now we don't know whether this is a EMI for the car. 18,000 allowance plus fuel as per actual consumption. Now this is clear cut in violation of the Goa Housing Board Act. One part. Now this is totally done in violation of the Housing Board Act. There are no provisions. Now we don't know whether this is an allowance or this is a EMI being paid for the personal car which the Honorable Chairman has taken. And this chap, Mr. Elvis Gomes, who recently resigned from the government service, made a statement categorically that it is saying that की आपणान राजकारणात जॉईन जावपाचो निर्धार घेतला कारण सरकारान नोकरी करून वाज आहे, सरकारान भानगड्यो जातात, इरेग्युलरिटी जातात म्हणून. आणि अजापाची गोष्ट म्हणजे ही इरेग्युलरिटी करपाक सिग्नेचर जे मारला हे MDनूच मारिल्ल्या आणि तो चेअरमॅन जावन आहा त्या वेळाची टील 2015. आणि ही ऑर्डर खंय तरी 2004 हातून आहा 2014. सो हातून स्पष्टपणे जाता की देर इज ब्लॅलेंट मिसयूज ऑफ पब्लीक फंड, स्टेट एक्सचेकर. Now Goa Housing Board जो board it is just a policy maker. They don't have powers to give as per the act financial powers. मी कोणाको इतले पैसे दिले काढून allowance ना. Only it can be moved to the honorable housing board minister. I don't know who is the minister right now, and he can approve it. So हातून blatantly misuse झाला. And we are going to file this matter with the Lokayukta because we have to know whether the money is going where. The 18,000 per month is going where? Because he has already allotted a Swift car. And there are proofs here, concrete evidences where on his letterhead तो बरयता की आपल्यान पर्सनल गाडी घेतल्या आणि आपण यूज करूंक सोदता म्हणून.